Okay, so this is a seized float bowl screw, and what we do, I've done it mostly, but I'll just show you what we do. We get our Dremel attachment here. If you get the extension lead, it's narrow enough to be able to get into the float bowl. Just show you where we drilled. So we just drill down into here very carefully, drill the back of the screw off, and then with a bit of luck we can then unscrew. If you've got enough of the seized part out, it's usually just the bottom few threads. And a little bit of there you go, it's moved. Right, so it's going to come out now. There we go. Can you see it? Yeah, so the back's just been, enough of the rusted back has been drilled out to release the rest. There we go. It's a Whitworth thread, by the way.